Hello everyone, I'm Göktuğ from Countly Product Team, and today I'm going to show you a cool feature called heatmaps, which helps you to make better decisions based on users' actions on your website. To view heatmaps of a page, first click Page Views under Analytics on your dashboard, and then follow a particular page's line and click View link on the far right end of that row. This opens up another tab for you to view heatmaps. Basically, there are two versions of heatmaps in Countly. First one is Click Heatmaps, which shows the heat maps of the clicks on a page with nice visuals. This helps you to understand where your users click most and least. By using this information, you can adjust your design, your visuals, or even your wordings on your page for better conversions. There's also a resolution selector on the top to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. In addition to that, there's a drop-down to switch between click and scroll heatmaps, which is the second version. So let's look at scroll heatmaps, which gives you a clear overview about how far users scroll into your page. This gives you another critical insight to position important content according to the average fold point, or you can point out whether users are actually missing parts of pages that they shouldn't. So this is it. That's how you can leverage both click and scroll heatmaps to help you make better decisions on your pages. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks!